Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel simulation. It's Excel chapter 7 simulation training. So I will show you how to do the steps in this simulation. We will move one by one. So what is the first step? Insert the year function in the cell F7. So we will go to the cell F7. Here we will put is equal to year function. We will start our bracket. Date 1, use E7 as a serial number argument. So we will use E7 as a serial number argument and close our bracket and press enter. So we have got 20110. That's our step. Now what he is saying, in the cell G7, we will move to the cell G7. We will put year function by year right function. We will start our bracket and what is E7 as a, and what other thing we will use G2, that is our last day of the year, and we will close our bracket and press enter. So we have got our results in the cell G2 also. And if you want to deal for the, if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in online quizzes, simulations, Pearson assignments, Cengage course, Canvas course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video to get directly in my inbox. So what is saying, change the reference in of cell G2 in the year function to the mixed reference G2. So he is asking that this one function will make it absolute reference. So when we drag this formula downside G3 and downside, so it will not change. So we will press F4 to make it absolute reference and press enter. So we have got our results. We just put a dollar sign here and press enter. So we have got what is in mixed reference G2 as a, we will put dollar sign here and press enter. So we have got our results. Select the range F7 to G7, the range containing the year and year frank function, and use autofill to copy the function to range F28 to G23. So we will select this one and we will go to the autofill. We will use flash fill. We will use autofill down. Use autofill function to copy the function to the range F8 to G23. So we will select these and we will go downside by dragging this one up to this one and use this one. Select the fill without formatting to preserve the formatting including borders. So we will use fill without formatting. So we have, that question is now complete. This will moving to a second one question. Insert a weekday function in the cell H7. So in the cell H7 we will put weekday function. We will start our bracket, and what he is saying, in the cell H7 to reserve the representative cell in of the week, use E7 as a serial number argument. So we will use E7 as a serial number argument and press control our bracket, close our bracket and press enter. So we have got our results in the cell H7. With the cell H7 active, display the format cell dialog box and apply the custom format DDD. So we will go to the home data tab, and here in the journal we will go to the numbers. We will open this one, and what we need to put custom number format with the D and D 4 times and press OK. So we have got our results here in the cell H7 as a Monday. Align left to the cell H7. So we will align left to the cell H7. That's now align left. Copy the function in the cell H7 and paste the function to H8 to H28 using the paste no border option. Then press enter. So we will drag down this one up to H23. Or you will copy this one and paste this one here in the H8 to H23 by pressing Ctrl V, or you will paste this one. Yes, you will got our formula here in the this using the paste no borders function and press escape. So we will select this all, paste with the no border function, that one we need to, then we need to place the escape. That's our second question complete. Our third question is insert a switch function in the cell C7. So we will go to the cell C7, that is our cell C7. We will put switch function, start our bracket, look up extension in the cell B7 and switch the city for a region. The function should be like that. To switch the function, we will go to the cell B7, that is our cell B7. What we need to do, if the B7 is the our cell containing the which thing, all Atlanta, Atlanta, then what will be show our results? The result will be C2, that is our C2. We will make it this one as absolute reference by putting dollar sign. And what is saying, if the cell B2 contains bostons, we will put BOSTON in the inverted commas, then our result will be northeast. We will make it a absolute reference. Then what is if the B2 contain Chicago, Chicago, then our result should be C3, which is the Midwest. We will put dollar sign in this also. And if our B2 contain the Cleveland, Cleveland, we will do Cleveland. Then our result will be C3 also. For Cleveland, our cell will be C3. Also our result will be C3, and we will put dollar sign in this and close our bracket. That close our bracket and press enter. So what is the main thing remaining? Atlanta B7, Atlanta C2, Boston C4, Chicago C3, Cleveland it's C3. Press enter. Why it's not working? We will do again the formula, or you will do one thing. You will copy this formula, copy this and paste this one here, and then press enter. No, we need to put it here, this one in the cell C7 and press enter. So our action will be completed now. Copy the function in the cell C7 and paste the formula in the C8 to C23. Paste formula option. So we will copy this by Control C and paste the in the cell C8 to C23. We will select C8 to C23. We will it, paste with the formula option and press enter. So our formula is now pasted and press escape. So our third question is also complete, and in this way we will complete this one 14 steps. And if you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you will just comment on this video, or you can scan the barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video to get directly in my inbox. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.